Hi, I'm Zach Barron, and this is the Cybersecurity Career Simulation number 3. This is the final project for the Quick Start Cybersecurity Bootcamp. Okay, so we'll have a summary, go through our findings, the techniques used, and flag content. This project is a capture the flag exercise. So first off, we had to install the new machines, a Kali Linux machine for exploiting vulnerabilities, and a Windows 7 machine that is used as our target PC. We find vulnerabilities using Nmap and a vulnerability script, exploit them with Metasploit and Meterpreter, and once we've discovered the files on our target PC, we use John the Ripper and a hash decoder to decrypt the hidden information. So, what did we find? First off, downloaded the new Kali and Windows machines. Run an nmap scan to find our subnet and our target PC. Open ports, and then ran a vulnerability scan. Found this remote code execution on Microsoft SMB v1 servers. And so that's the one we will use in Metasploit to gain remote access. So we did a search for Eternal Blue or MS17010 and then set up the correct options, run it, and once we have a meterpreter shell, you're able to navigate through the file system to find hoot.txt and hashbrowns.txt and hide.jpg are three target files that we're supposed to find for this project. Once you've found them, you can use Meterpreter to download them to your own computer, which I've done here. And once you've downloaded those files, you can use John the Ripper to search for hidden information, which the hashbrowns1.txt is simply the word juice. And I used an online hash decoder for hoot.txt. When you open that file, you see root flag, which is our target passphrase, I guess. Root flag, and then this series that is a SHA-1 hash that is revealed to be root123. There is also a image file, the hide.jpg. I did run a few commands to search it for hidden information in its code, and the binwalk command to check for hidden hidden files within. There were no hidden files. If we had access to the internet, could use steganography tools like steghide to do image analysis. However, those tools are not present in the machines used for this project, and they're not connected to the internet. So these are the final these are our flags for this project. We've captured them. We found our three files, we decrypted them, and found the hidden information. So that's it. Next up, you'll see a live demonstration of this process. Thanks. Okay, so here we are in VirtualBox running our Kali machine, and we have also the Windows machine open, but we won't be using it for anything other than a target. So, since the nmap commands can sometimes take a little while to run, I already ran them before starting the recording. You can see we started with if config to find our IP configuration, and our net mask is /24. So we're going to run nmap on 10.0.2.0/24 to discover all of the hosts that are up on the network. 10.0.2.1 is our default gateway. 10.0.2.4 is us. And so the other one here, 10.0.2.5, is going to be our target PC. Running a port scan on that IP address. You see several open ports. Port 21 FTP is the one that we exploited in the previous project. We'll be doing something a little differently in this one. So over here in the window on the right, I ran the nmap vulnerability scan, and you can see it found a couple things. The SSL poodle leak that we found in the last project. Down here at the bottom is the one we'll be using, this SMB vulnerability MS17-010 remote code execution in Microsoft SMB v1 servers. So what we do next is run over here to Metasploit MSF console and do a search for MS17-010. I did try this double pulsar unsuccessfully previously. This is the one that it says to do for the project, and it's because it works. So Eternal Blue is the name of this exploit, so we will use 0 and check our options. You see that our host has not been set up yet, so we need to put in the IP address for our host. Set our host to 10.0.2.5. Check and make sure everything else is good. Options, good to go. So next you run, and it'll open up a meterpreter console eventually. There it is. All right. PWD will print working directory. We're in system 32, but we're looking for files on a PC, so we'll go CD to go up to our root directory, the C directory. Check here, and we are looking for users. There it is, users. CD users. And then we want the Ninja user. All right. Now, first up, let's check the desktop. People always save all their most important things to their desktop. Not me, of course, but CD desktop and dir. And there's our first flag right there, hoot.txt. So we'll do download hoot.txt. I've already downloaded it, so there's no point in doing it again. I can pull it up in the file here. And I downloaded a lot of extra things also, but here's hoot.txt. It has our flag right there that we can use John the Ripper to decrypt, or the online decryptor. And then we go up a few directories. I think that's enough. Yes. And then the other goal was to find some public documents. So we're going to change over to our public user. Public starts with P. Public user. And check the documents folder there. And there you have our hashbrowns.1.txt and hide.jpg. They can also both be downloaded with the download command, which again I have already done. Here's hashbrowns.txt. You see the cryptographic thing right there. And hide.jpg is a cool little picture of Batman. There you go. So those are um, our three files. Since oops, yeah, I found I did a lot of analysis on the picture to see if I could find anything hidden in it, but wasn't able to in this particular machine. I'm going to copy this and run it through our this online hash decoder just to see. You don't even need a fancy tool or anything. You can just type it. Oops, wrong way. Type it in over here and hit enter. Decrypting. Come on. Oh no, that's right. Search all types. It is not SHA-256. That's why it didn't work. It is actually a SHA-1 hash. Um, there it is. Root 123 is what that one said. And let's find our other one, hashbrowns.txt. Same thing. We'll just copy this hashed thing. Run it over to our thing here. And select all types. Well, I know what it is. It's SHA-1. So we'll just do it as that one. And there you have it. Juice. There's our other flag. So root 123 and juice are the two secret words for that. And that pretty much concludes our demonstration. I did, just for fun, find one other interesting thing. Here, let's go. Oops, one more up. So looking through, there's a lot of stuff on here that you don't really need for this, but there's one little thing in the inet pub file in the root directory that I thought was kind of interesting, that whoever designed this machine decided to put in ftp root, I believe is where it was. Let's see. Regular logs. And let's see. There's a juice folder in here. That's funny. So let's go to the juice folder. See what's in there. Change directory to all files. And let's... Oh man, I keep forgetting which command to use in meterpreter. I think it's type. Remote comms. .rtf. Nope, that didn't work. Yeah, whatever. You can download it and then open it on your own. So I already downloaded it, and here it is, in here somewhere. Remotecoms.rtf. You can see there's a sort of messenger conversation here that describes two people talking about how their computer has been compromised and what to do about it. So, fun little Easter egg that somebody decided to keep in. Anyways, that concludes this project. Hope you enjoyed it.